Let's review. Okay, Usopp.
May mata siya.
Usopp from Bandai or Banpresto. I don't know.
Kita ko yung mata na.
So, ang bilhin natin dito, $8.50. And this is the One Piece Film Red Edition. DXF. The Grand Line. Okay. Off the box. Made in Japan, pero nakita ko rito, it's made in
China.
China. Everything is made in China. Ano natin siya?
Pangit naman ng background.
Tingnan natin siya. So, I guess ito yung itsura nila sa movie, which is hindi ko pa napapanood. And then, let's have a closer look. Meron siyang earrings, no? Naka-glasses pa at may eyes. At syempre, mahaba ang ilong. Nice, oh. Nice details. Parang Denden motion yung sombrero niya, no? Okay. At kulot ang buhok. Nakatali sa likod. And then, nakasling. And then, one common thing with the Film Red edition is the color pink. Parati sila may color. Ito si Frankie and then si Brooke. May motif sila na color pink lagi.
So, alam mo.
Yeah. So, natin kung maganda ba may light. Yan. Ayun, yung detachable yung kanyang sling. The attention to details, may pockets. Yan. May pockets din siya na pink.
And then, pwede mo makita
Sling
yung
medyo fix naman yung sling. At may eyes siya, no? Sa loob, sabi mo.
Oo. Nakita siya. Parang may eyelashes.
Oo.
Siya may dots.
Oo nga, may eyelashes siya sa gilid. No? And may earrings siya. Parang pangkista, no? Yan ang style niya. Nung una hindi ko type, pero nung nakita ko na, bihira naman kasi ang Usopp. So, actually, parang ito lang ang Usopp na nakita ko late. Ngayon lang. And, astig naman siya. Yan. So, malayo yung theme niya dun sa series. So, that's it for my quick review. Maganda naman yung details. Yun yung mga stretch dun sa kanyang shorts. Kala mo tatapusin ko na yung review no? Maganda yung attention sa details. Yan, merong it's good. Yan, nice helmet. Okay. That's it for Usopp. So, I'll try to focus more on the on each one of the figures. So, this is my last buy.
Yes, last.
May humihirit doon, nakala mo naman. Oh, what did you do?
What?
Okay, cut.